Hello Techie, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Solution. I want to teach you the Python as the fastest way as possible and more practical way. Now before we get started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification by clicking on the bell icon. Today I am going to cover the most important topic, regular expression. A regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. Okay, regular expression can be used to check if a string contains the specified search pattern. Regular expressions are used in search engine, search, replace dialog of word processor, text editor. Okay, Python has a built-in package called RE, which can be used to work with regular expression. Okay, now we are going to import RE, that is inbuilt Python library to use regular expression. In short, we can say RE. Okay, now when you have imported the RE module, you can start using regular expression. I will give you example of regular expression. Let's start with text. The rain in Spain. Okay. Now x equal to re.search. I will tell you the search methods and other method that we are going to use in regular expression. Okay. And then this is cap dot Spain. End with that dot star any character, and which one you want to search in text txt. Okay, now if x, as if the pattern is found, print yes, we have a match, else print no match. Okay, what is do? We have the text, the rain is Spain. Now we have a character that start with the and end with Spain. Okay, if you found in the text or not. Okay, now what we are going to do? Okay, this is the text, right? The rain in Spain. This is method search. Basically in the search, what we are trying to do, the string, the word, the sentence is going to start with the and end with Spain. If this is match in the text, that we are going to print yes, we have a match, otherwise no match. Okay, let's go with the text or sentence. The start with that yes and end with Spain, that is true, right? Then to print yes, we have a match. Let's run it and see it. Okay, yes, we have a match. Now if you are going to remove star here or dot, then it will say no match. I tell you why. No match, right? What will happen here is trying to find, okay, the text, any text in that start with the, with space and Spain. If you are going to remove this one and put it space between there, then it will tell yes, we have a match. Let's run it and see. Okay, yes, we have a match. Now again we go back and start with dot and star. It will tell, what it will tell, the text, any text or sentence that start with the, end with Spain, and in between anything will be there, that is okay. This is Turkey, Spain. Okay, and if you are going to run, that will say yes, we have a match. Okay, you are going to put anything, even 1 2 3 4 5, you are going to run once again, then it will print yes, we have a match. Okay, because this search what he is trying to do, okay, start with the and end with Spain, in the middle dot star means anything between the and Spain. Okay, this is clear now. Now we are going to show you few methods that we are going to regularly use in regular expression. Okay, the RE module offers a set of functions that allow us to search a string for a match. I will tell you all the methods that we are going to, your function that we are going to use in RE. First it will be find all. Okay, what the find all will do? Find all will say return a list containing all the matches. Return a list containing all the matches. Okay. Now I am going to show how we are going to use RE. Now we are going to create one string txt equal to, same example, the rain in Spain. Okay. And next equal to RE dot find all of them, that is going to AI and txt. Okay, and print x. Okay, what will happen here? What is checking? Is checking EI in this text. Okay, and then print all the values. Okay, AI and AI two times, right? Because two in the rain AI is there and Spain AI is there. Okay, in the rain AI is there and Spain AI is there. Okay, now if you are going to use AINT, okay, then it will print three AI, 1, 2, and one for int. Let's run it and see. Okay, AI. Okay, this is clear now. Now I am going to show you another example of the method search. Okay, let's remove this one. Second, search. Okay, search method. What the search method will do? Return a match object if there is a match anything in the string. Okay. Okay, first search function searches the string for a match and returns a match object if there are any matches on that. If there is more than one matches, then only the first occurrence of the match will be returned. Okay, let's show with the example. Okay, let's first start with text. Text equal to the rain in Spain. Okay, search function, what it will do? It will function searches a string for a match. Okay, and returns a match object. Okay, if there is a match. Okay, if there is more than one match, only the first occurrence of the match is returned. Okay, now I created one sentence. Text the rain in Spain. X equal to RE dot search. Okay, passing backslash s comma text. Okay, now print the first white space. First white space characters is located at the position. Okay, x dot start. Okay, let's run it. The first white space character is located at the position 3. How is it? 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this is the first space, right? Now if you are going to remove this one, okay, what will happen? Now the first string will be 0 is start with T, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then if you are going to run, what it will print? It will print 7. Okay, the first white space occurs is located at the position 7. If you are going to remove this one space here, then 8, 9, 10. Now it is going to print 10. Okay, 9, because G start with 0. Okay, is this clear now? Now I am going to show you another method, that is split. Split. What the split will do? Split basically return a list where the string has been split at each match. Returns a list where the string has been split at each match. Okay, now I am going to show with the example. Okay, let's create a first text equal to the same example, rain in Spain. Okay, that's equal to re.split, then same white space and text, and print x. Okay, let's run it. What will happen? The rain in space. Okay, what will be returned? It will return basically whenever the space will find, it will going to divide and return a list. Now if you are going to remove this space, now is going to run. What will happen? The rain will come in 1 and then in, then Spain. Okay, let's run it and see. Okay, there in Spain. Okay, this is clear now. Even you can control the number of occurrence by specifying the max split. Okay, let's define the max split to re.split /s text comma 1 print x. Okay, let's run it. What will happen? There in space, whatever you are going to define only maximum 1 limit. Okay, split limit. Okay, this is the one is basically max split limit. Okay, it will split only 1. Now if you are going to divide, going to put 2 here, then what will happen? It will going to divide into 2. Okay, let's run it. There in Spain. Okay, now if you are going to put it here, Spain. Let's run it once again. There in Spain. Now if you are going to divide 3, it will give the same result. Okay, because we don't have any more space here. Right? Now if you are going to add one more limit, then it will come as a there in space limit, Spain limit. Okay, let's run it. Okay, there in Spain limit. This is clear now. Now I am going to show you the final regular expression methods. What is that? That is sub. For sub. Okay, what the sub will do? Sub basically replace one or many with a string. For replacing, replaces one or many matches with a string. Okay, let's remove this one. Let's create a method sentence. Okay, text equal to the rain in Spain. Okay, re dot sub backslash s. Whenever the s space will come, we are going to use 10. And which one? This sentence text. Okay, then print x. Let's run it. What will happen? Whenever the space will come, it will replace with 10. The 10, rain 10, in 10, Spain. Okay, let's run it. Okay, the 10, rain 10, in 10, Spain. Okay, this is clear now. Now even you can control the number of replacement by specifying the count parameter. Okay, I will show you. Now it's going to replace everything, right? Every space is going to find, and it's going to replace with 10. Now if you are going to, okay, 2 space we are going to replace, other will ignore it. How we are going to do? With count 4th parameter, x equal to re dot sub, which is space value 10, which sentence you want to, txt comma 2. Okay, and print x. What will happen is going to replace only count 2. This, the 10, rent 10, then in or Spain, that will be the same. Only the what will be the output? The 10, rent 10, and in Spain will be the same. That is not going to change. Okay, the 10, rent 10, in and Spain will be the same. Okay, this is clear now. Now I am going to show you match object. Okay, what the match object? A match object is an object containing information about the search and the result. Okay, if there are no match, what will happen? The value none will be returned instead of the match object. Okay, I will show you the example. Go to the text equal to the rain in Spain, x equal to re dot search. Okay, AI text, print x. Okay, now let's run it. What will the search person basically return? A search match object. Okay, what will when I going to, it will return a match object. Okay, let's run it and see. Okay, this R is match object, span 57, match AI. Okay, this is clear now. Now I am going to show you the one example. Okay, in the search itself, if there no match is found, the value none will be returned. Okay, in the search example, let's remove this one. Text equal to the rain in Spain, same example, same center, x equal to re dot search. Now if you are going to search Portugal, that is not there in the text. Okay, txt and print x. Okay, what will happen? Because Portugal is not there in the sentence, right? It will return none. Okay, this is clear now. For today, that's it. This is, I can say, the part 1 of the regular session. We have lots of things that I am going to cover in the next video. So thank you so much for watching my video. I am going to post more and more video on daily basis. So if you want to watch my video in future, just subscribe in below bell icon with all. He will notify you when my new video will come. And please don't forget to like and share. We will meet once again in new video with new topic. Thank you.